Are you or a loved one over 60 and noticing a loss of strength, stamina, or muscle tone? You're not alone. Muscle loss in seniors, also known as sarcopenia, is more common than you think, but the good news is it's not inevitable. In today's video, we'll uncover 8 science-backed superfoods and natural remedies for muscle strength, plus simple ways to prevent muscle wasting and regain vitality, naturally. So if you're looking for the best diet tips to build muscle after 60, you're in the right place. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Protein. Think of protein like the bricks your body uses to build and repair muscle. Every time you eat a source of protein, you're handing your muscles the materials they need to stay strong. As we age, our muscles become a little more stubborn. They need more protein than they used to, just to maintain what we already have. When most people hear the word protein, they often picture meat or eggs. But here's something that might surprise you. Your muscles can get strong support from plants too, and in many ways, even better. Plant-based proteins are gentler on your body. They're easier to digest, kinder to your heart, and packed with fiber, vitamins, and healing compounds that animal products just can't offer. And for seniors, that's a big deal. Let's start with lentils. These humble little legumes are a powerhouse of protein. Rich, filling, and simple to cook. Whether in soups, stews, or tossed in salads, lentils give your muscles what they need to rebuild and stay firm. Then there are chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. They blend beautifully into warm dishes or can be mashed into spreads like hummus. Every bite supports your body with protein, iron, and fiber, all essential for aging muscles. Quinoa is another quiet hero. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Next protein-rich food are eggs. Eggs are like a little miracle in a shell. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, all wrapped up in a natural, easy-to-cook form. The protein in eggs is considered one of the best types you can eat. It's easily absorbed by the body. One egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of protein. It may not sound like much, but it's incredibly efficient. The yolk is rich in vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium and supports muscle function, while the white is pure, clean protein. You can scramble them, boil them, poach them, or make a soft, comforting omelet with some veggies tossed in. Eggs are affordable, quick to make, and great any time of the day, not just breakfast. Studies have shown that older adults who eat eggs regularly tend to have better muscle strength and even improved mobility. Next is Greek yogurt, which isn't just trendy. It's a genuine powerhouse for your muscles. What makes Greek yogurt different from regular yogurt? It's been strained to remove much of the liquid, making it thicker, creamier, and much higher in protein. A small cup can contain up to 15 grams or more of high-quality protein without being heavy or hard to digest. It's also rich in calcium and probiotics. That means better bones, better digestion, better nutrient absorption, and more support for your whole body. One of the best things about Greek yogurt is how versatile it is. Sweet with honey and berries, great. Savory as a base for dips and sauces, even better. Stir it into soups, blend it into smoothies, or eat it straight from the bowl. If you have a hard time chewing meat or large meals, Greek yogurt is a gentle and effective way to nourish your muscles, soft, satisfying, and easy on the stomach. Next are leafy greens. When we talk about muscles, most people don't immediately think of spinach or kale, but these green leaves hold a secret. They help your muscles work better. Leafy greens are packed with magnesium, calcium, potassium, and nitrates. These nutrients help your muscles contract properly, recover after activity, and stay energized. Nitrates improve blood flow, which means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients. Spinach, arugula, Swiss chard, collard greens, even beet greens, they're all wonderful choices. You don't need to eat a giant salad every day. Toss a handful of spinach into your eggs, blend kale into a smoothie, or cook up mustard greens for dinner. As we age, our digestion slows, and we often absorb nutrients less efficiently. Leafy greens help fill in those gaps. They keep your muscles moving and your bones strong. Next are beans, which are humble and easy to overlook. But inside every bean is a treasure chest of strength. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas, navy beans, all full of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients feed your muscles, fuel your energy, and support long-term health. Fiber in beans helps with digestion, blood sugar, and appetite, all key for staying active and mobile. Legumes are especially helpful if you're cutting back on meat or want more variety. Make hearty soups, stews, dips like hummus, or bake them into casseroles. Many come canned and ready to eat. Just rinse and go. Adding beans to your meals is like hiring a quiet team of muscle builders working behind the scenes. Next are nuts and seeds. Never underestimate the power of a handful of almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds. These tiny packages are full of energy, protein, and healthy fats. They're also rich in magnesium and vitamin E, both important for muscle function and recovery. The best part? No cooking, no mess. Just grab and go. Sprinkle them on yogurt, toss them in salads, or blend into smoothies. Almonds are high in protein and antioxidants. Walnuts are great for heart and brain health. Pumpkin seeds have zinc, iron, and healthy oils. Can't chew nuts? Try nut butters like almond or peanut butter, on toast, stirred into oatmeal, or with a banana. They're calorie dense, so a small amount, about 1/4 cup a day, is enough for strong muscles. Next are sweet potatoes. Muscles don't just need protein, they need fuel. That's where sweet potatoes come in. They're rich in complex carbohydrates that give your body slow, steady energy. Without this kind of fuel, muscles can feel weak or tired, even if you're eating enough protein. They're also loaded with potassium, vitamin A, and antioxidants. These nutrients support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, important for aging joints. Roast them, mash them, bake them, or cut into wedges and make fries. Naturally sweet, comforting, and easy to digest, perfect for lunch or dinner. Swap sweet potatoes in for regular potatoes now and then for a deeper nutrient profile. Next is cottage cheese, which may seem old-fashioned, but it stood the test of time for a reason. It's soft, easy to eat, and full of casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles for hours, perfect for a nighttime snack. While you sleep, your body rebuilds muscle. Cottage cheese gives it the fuel it needs. It's also rich in calcium and B vitamins for bone strength and energy. Enjoy it on its own, with fruit, on toast, or in savory dishes like baked pasta or omelets. If you struggle with appetite or chewing, cottage cheese is one of the gentlest, most digestible ways to get quality protein. No fuss, just nourishing support for strength. Every spoonful says to your muscles, I'm taking care of you. So there you have it, 8 powerhouse foods to keep your muscles strong and thriving. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone you care about, and hit that subscribe button for more health wisdom every week. Stay strong, stay nourished, and I'll see you in the next video.